In this video, I'm gonna show you how to overlay in CapCut. Let's first import a video. I'm going to drag in the editing part. For example, I wanna add a arrow sticker. In the stickers part, search arrow. I'm gonna choose this one, hold it, and put it here.
Did you know
When
that
we
hats
open
were
the
once
video, the
mandatory?
arrow is coming. We can change the scale from here to, or you can just scale from here. I wanna put this one end of the video. I can hold it and I can put wherever I want. I put it here, end of the video. Then let's take the line here. Let's see how it looks.
Push the limits of practicality. Can you imagine?
I'm going to change the location. I wanna put it here. Then we can rotate the arrow from here, as you see. I'm going to rotate like that. Then I wanna resize a little bit more smaller. Then I wanna put another sticker, subscribe, search subscribe, then I'm gonna choose the first one, then I'm going to put it here in the top,
Imagine a law like this today?
then let's put it here.
And push the limits of practicality. Can you imagine a law like this
As you
today?
see,
What if you were
there's a
required to wear a hat
subscribe
every day?
button
Would you
at the end of
comply?
the video. You
Did you
can
know
put
that
it like
hats were
that,
once mandatory?
or if you wanna add another photo in the media part, you can import everything, video, photo, gift, anything. Let's choose a photo. I wanna put this photo, for example. I'm going to show you guys.
Fined or even publicly humiliated?
It's going to cover all of the place because we put top of the video. We need to do more small. As you see, you can put photo too. It's like that, guys. Thank you for watching.